Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums, and we've got a battle royale for you. In the left corner, weighing in with incredible suction and a price tag that might make you gulp, it's the Shark AV2501 SAI Ultra Robot Vacuum. And in the right corner, the budget-friendly multitasker that mops while it vacuums, the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop. Let's get ready to rumble. The Shark AI Ultra is rocking a price tag of $549. Reviewers have noted that while it is a significant investment, its performance justifies the price. On the other hand, the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop comes in at a much more wallet-friendly $299. Reviewers appreciate its affordability, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. The Shark AI Ultra boasts incredible suction and excels at picking up pet hair and small debris, according to multiple Amazon reviews. It tackles dirt on all floor types efficiently. Meanwhile, the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop offers 2700 PA suction power. While not quite up to Shark's level, reviewers say it's effective for everyday cleaning and performs especially well on hard floors. The Shark AI Ultra uses matrix clean navigation, cleaning in a precise grid and making multiple passes to ensure thorough cleaning. Reviewers appreciate its meticulous navigation, although some noted initial hiccups. Tikom's gyroscope smart navigation follows an efficient zigzag path, which reviewers find more efficient than random path vacuums. It may not be as precise as the Shark, but it's effective for most homes. The Shark AI Ultra empties itself into a bagless base that holds up to 30 days of dirt and features a HEPA filter that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens. Reviewers love the convenience of not having to empty it frequently. Tikom might not empty itself, but it returns to the charging station when the battery is low. Reviewers appreciate this feature for its reliability, even though it means more manual emptying. The Shark AI Ultra has 360 degrees LiDAR vision for precision home mapping, making it perfect for homes with pets. It's also voice-controlled with Alexa and Google Assistant. Reviewers praise its advanced features and adaptability. Tikom, on the other hand, is a two-in-one sweeper and mopper with an electronically controlled water pump. It also works with Alexa and Google Home, and reviewers highlight its multifunctionality and smart features like carpet boost and boundary strips. Both the Shark AI Ultra and the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop have received positive reviews on Amazon. The Shark AI Ultra is praised for its powerful suction, meticulous navigation, and convenient self-emptying feature. Reviewers consider it a worthwhile investment for those who want top-tier performance. The Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop is lauded for its affordability, effective cleaning, and multifunctionality. Reviewers find it to be a great, budget-friendly option that still offers impressive features. So there you have it, folks. Both the Shark AI Ultra and the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop are fantastic in their own right. If you're looking for a high-end, no-hassle cleaning machine and you don't mind splurging, the Shark AI Ultra is your go-to. But if you want a budget-friendly robot that can vacuum and mop while still being efficient, the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop is a stellar choice. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy smart shopping. Product links are in the description.